Hi guys, and welcome. I'm going to show you in the first lecture how to install and download the AutoCAD from Autodesk site. First of all, just type Autodesk. You have to go to the autodesk.com, click on it. This is the site for Autodesk, okay? And then we go to menu over there, scroll down to students and educators, click on free software, scroll down to AutoCAD. Then here you have to sign up for an account in this site. If you have already an account, you have to sign in. Once you signed in, choose your version, choose your operating system, choose the language, and install right now. As simple as that. And that's all for installing and downloading